Powerful. Introducing TokNinja AI, an AI-powered TikTok content engine that gives you unlimited videos, accounts, and client content, viral remixes, in seconds. Which means no blank timeline editing, no per export fees, no guessing, no flopping, no limits, just results. And here's where it gets even better. TokNinja AI isn't just fast, it's smart. Built for higher watch time, trend-matched, high-converting hooks, discovery first hashtags, and posting times. So your videos don't just go out faster, they perform better. Better views, better follows, better conversions. And yes, it's beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed, no editing experience, no complicated setup. If you can type, you can run TokNinja AI. Now let's talk about the price. Normally, to post at this scale, you'd be paying every single month, forever. But today, you don't have to. With TokNinja AI, you get everything with a simple one-time payment, no subscriptions, no per export fees, no recurring bills. Just activate it once, and it's yours. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, test it, post your first video with it. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. So now the decision is yours. Do you keep spending hours on manual editing tools every week? Or do you unlock unlimited AI-powered content in one place? If you're ready to, create unlimited videos for unlimited accounts. Let AI find trends and write your hooks for you. Escape monthly, per export editing bills. Boost your views, follows, and sales, and finally use TikTok at its full potential. Then click the button below, activate TokNinja AI, and unlock the most powerful content engine available today. No limits, no subscriptions, no stress, just powerful AI content working for you. Your move starts now.